Why aren't you at school?
Gandalf the Fool.
Stupid.
You will die in 3 minutes.
You have some poor reflexes.
Come on, you pansy.
You cannot pass!
Come down to Papa. No, you're not my Papa.
Goodbye.
No more Mr. Nice Guy from here on out.
Oh, so that was your Mr. Nice Guy.
Who just threw that?
Purebred Goble!
Nom nom.
Your elemental power is green.
What is the point of living?
I like pizza. I want to eat more of it.
Stand, it's gone.
Well, this ain't my first merry-go-round. Roll on the side of the road without a hope in the world while being followed by highway patrol.
If you can't do the time, don't do the crime. Okay, time's up.